Hi, this is the Tecno Pova 5 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for one home screen with a finger and then just drag it to another one. And by this way we could see that we just created successfully the new home screen folder. If you want to rename it, just tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. To move folder here on the screen and between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. You could also add here more applications just by another way. Click to this plus icon and select all of the applications which you want to add. Tap to OK, and as you can see, that's so simple. Just to make bigger or smaller the folder, you should hold it and just tap to enlarge or click to shrink. You could also just to disband the folder, or also if you wanna remove some of the applications from here, you could hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you wanna stay with this application on the home screen, you could let's remove it from the folder just by hold and tap to remove icon. You can click to this plus icon and to unselect these applications, or also you could disband them just by hold and click to disband and you'll stay with them on the home screen. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.